Boost your response time and seller ratings with message templates. I'll show you how to implement them in today's video. So if you log into Walmart Seller Center, you're going to go to the top and click on this little envelope icon. You're going to see message templates, right? So it can automatically send messages for you and make it almost automated. That's going to help your customer service team and help you stay non-emotional during your customer service engagements, right? So the message template settings, you're going to click on this button right up here. It's going to take you to the message templates. And then this is where you can create your own template. So click create template and it's going to take you right here. And then you can say, a lot of customers ask, where's my order? And you need to send them the tracking, right? So where's my order? And then you can say hi, and then you can actually insert the tag. So you can do the customer name, here is your order. You can make it more professional. I'm just showing you a really, really quick way. And then you can do the tracking URL. If it's not delivered within 5 days, let us know. Thank you. Right? So you're going to make it more professional in this, but that's a good way just to do it. And then you would make this professional with your brand identity, your brand verbiage, and you should be good to go. Now, when we go back to message templates, here's one that we actually recently did. Hi, customer name. I just double checked and saw that the shipping carrier is moving slower than normal due to the weather. That being said, it should be delivered within the next 5 days. Here's the tracking URL. If it is not delivered within the next 5 days, please message us back and we will escalate this. So this is a great way to delay it. So that way the customer waits an extra 5 days before they come back to you and escalate the issue. Again, once you do that, then you can have all your message templates here. Just click on it, right? Let me just see. And it automatically inputs it and you can just send that reply. So this is an awesome way to automate customer service and make your customer service great. That's it for today's video. Want me to create other videos regarding Walmart? If so, let me know in the comments what I should talk about next. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're a Walmart seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Walmart journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Walmart, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, one of our most popular services is our full A to Z Walmart account management service. This is what will fully manage your inventory, your customer service, set up automations, do your SEO, get you the pro seller badge, advertising, increase sales, design, and much, much more. The benefit of the service is so you can focus on expanding your Walmart business while we're doing the day-to-day nuances, making sure you're staying in stock, making sure you're increasing sales, and all that good stuff in between. Save time, money, and increase your sales with EHP Consulting Group. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and I'm signing out.